This is Framingham, part of Framingham. What we're looking at right here is Framingham State University to kind of give you an idea of where we are. Okay, here's the recycling center. All right. But what we want to focus on today is the Sudbury River, because all of the land in Framingham drains into the Sudbury River. We are part of the Sudbury River watershed. So I want to remove one of our labels here. Okay. So here we go. So let's take a look at the Sudbury River. This body of water here is the Sudbury River. These are all houses. So all you can see, all of the blue, this is all part of the Sudbury River. This green is algae in the Sudbury River. But all of the precipitation that falls on the land of Framingham flows into the Sudbury River, because we are part of the Sudbury River watershed. Now watch what happens as I zoom out. And you'll see that all of the water is connected. Here's a reservoir right here, which is more water. Okay, let me actually remove some of these other labels too. There we go. So now it's a little easier for us to see. So here's the Sudbury River. All of this water is the Sudbury River. This is Framingham. Any precipitation, any pollution that happens on the land in Framingham flows into the Sudbury River. But watch what happens as I zoom out. We can see that there's more and more water connected. This is where we were looking. This is the Sudbury River. This is still the Sudbury River. This is the Massachusetts Turnpike right here. Let me go ahead and see if I can put towns back on. Let's see what we've got. All right. So if we zoom out even farther, we can follow. So here we see this is Hopkinton down at the bottom of the screen. This is Southborough. This is all the Sudbury River. So the Sudbury River watershed is made up of the land. Look everywhere where it says Sudbury River right here. This is all connected. We can't see it, but there's some small streams that are going to connect the Sudbury River to the Sudbury Reservoir. Here's Callahan State Park. All of this land is our watershed. And all of this water is connected. It goes into Marlborough. It goes into Wayland. It goes into Sudbury, Southborough, Ashland, Sherburne, Natick. All of this land is part of the Sudbury River watershed, an area of land that all of the precipitation and anything that's on the land that can flow, pollution, oil, a spilled Slurpee, will feed into the Sudbury River. And if we were to follow the Sudbury River, it stretches all the way up north to Lowell, and it stretches all the way out into the Atlantic Ocean. That is our watershed, the Sudbury River watershed.